Going from 6-inch pneumatics to 90mm wheels felt not that great. The urethanes would not dissipate vibration well. Every time you hit the cracks or potholes in the road, the energy would transfer to the deck. I felt less control of the board, less traction, I could say a bit slippery on sharp turns once you accelerate aggressively. Also not that comfortable or stable at higher speeds. I was worried to accelerate fast, and this board is really powerful. Maybe because it was cold and the wheels would not perform well, I don't know. So I decided before going back to 6-inch wheels to try the 105 Clouds. These wheels, if you have seen my previous videos of Yovan Carbon, perform very well on cold or warm weather. Also have great traction and comfortable at any speed. I went through so many belts and pulleys, and I don't have 4 matching sets with the same outside diameter and the same A-back core. So I end up using 2 pulleys with 36 teeth that have the same outside diameter as the stock pulleys with A-back core that fitted perfectly, and the other 2 pulleys that came with the same OD but Kegel core, I broke each alternative pin so I can fit the pulley inside the wheel. So it worked well and it fit perfectly. Now I hope these modified pulleys don't break up and fly away, or the worst, jam the wheel when I accelerate on this 4x4 setup. So I decided to do a test, and I gradually increased the speed to see if the pulleys will survive, and they actually held up pretty well. Range. I was able to cover 16.6 miles of continuous aggressive riding, mostly flats in Manhattan. Fast acceleration and braking at all times. Last 1.5 miles, the speed and torque went down, so I had the speed about 21 kilometers an hour and lower after by the minute. My weight is 210 pounds, and if you ride less aggressive or carve more or cruise, you'll definitely get more range. Speed. I was really concerned about those modified pulleys, but for a short period of time I managed to reach 54 kilometers an hour. That's 33.5 miles. I think if I had held the throttle several more seconds, the board could have gained a slightly higher speed. If I had to ride in the city only, I would definitely choose the 105s. The ride is very comfortable, you don't feel rebound and vibrations from all the cracks, potholes or road drainages. These wheels dissipate pretty much all vibrations, you get a very smooth, good grip and very good control ride. I can lean harder on turns and I feel confident with the board. With this 4x4 setup on these wheels, it is a joy to accelerate fast and carve. Also makes the board a bit lighter, which also helps, and I like the look of the Atlas better with 105s. The torque is still powerful 105s, I do not feel any loss in acceleration. With 120Ds I think the top speed will be too high and you might sacrifice torque and range. For 105Ds wheels I use 36 T pulleys and 280mm belts. For 120 I would suggest you get 44 T pulleys and 300mm belts if you like bigger wheels. It will make sense to keep bigger gear ratio to have more range and the same acceleration, but for more comfort for those riders that have bad road conditions in their area, 120 will be a better option. On the Cloud Wheels website you will see soon options for purchasing these pulleys. I'll also add the links below so you can find these products faster and discount codes so you'll get a better price. Once you install those wheels and pulleys, make sure you go into the app and adjust the right gearing in order to get the board to work properly. You guys asked for a comparison between Yovan and Atlas, and I'll do that as soon as I get the 2x2 Atlas model. I don't think it's fair to compare a 4x4 versus a 2x2 system, but for now, ride safe, always wear protective gear, and I'll see you next time.